How to show WhatsApp status to only one person. So make sure to watch the video to the end, you will not make any mistake. First of all, go to your WhatsApp. Tap on this update section. Tap on this three dot. Tap on this status privacy. Under this status privacy, tap on this last option, only share with. So tap on this included. So from now, select the person that you want to share your status with him. So for me, let's say I want to share only my status with this person, this third person. So tap on the person. As you can see now, it will mark green for you. So tap on this save button. So go back now. That's it guys on how to share your status on WhatsApp with only one person. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe.